Hey guys, GJS here, back at it again, and today I'm doing a Lego review, a Lego set review. Today I'm reviewing a Lego set called Anakins podracer. You may be noticing I'm missing one figure. It's the pit droid. I bought this and they didn't have the pit droid where I got it from, so whatever. So let's show the first minifigure. Focus it. Come on. Doesn't seem to like to focus at all. Just there. So you can see Anakin's face. It's like a slight smile, kind of. And I really do like that. It's weird that he didn't really have short legs because they didn't make them when the set first came out. But also, I like the face print, and I like the yellow heads more than the peachish heads. I don't know why, I just do. And also, it's a funny thing with his little helmet. One thing, you can do this. It looks like you can give him a helmet. And it looks kind of like Admiral Akbar with his squid head or whatever. He's like a squid, I think. Octopus or a squid, I can't remember. But he kind of has that. His head kind of goes all the way back, but yeah. And here's him with his goggles on. You can't really see his eyes through them, but there's Anakin. Okay, now here's Padme. So she has I like that they made her and put her in the set, even though she's in the scene with the pod racer, but she really isn't. She's not right next to Anakin, because on the box, they have her right next to Anakin, but in the movie, she's in one of the stands or something like that. So, yeah. I like how they made her outfit that she wore in the movie. I just like all the old outfit designs, shirt designs, than the newer ones more and stuff. Just normal black legs. And then we have, and we have kind of face here, big red lips, and we have this hairpiece, which is a cool hairpiece. I don't know if they made a new one for the 2020 year one, but I know that they have this type of hairpiece in 20 years of Star Wars, the 20-year anniversary of Star Wars, I'm pretty sure. I forget what it was from. It was of one of the movies. But yeah, here's Padme. Now let's move on to how the set is. Here is a flag that just goes anywhere in the set. I don't know what it's for, but it's just here. We have a blue and yellow flag with a sand bottom with a sand. Yeah. And then we have one of these, I don't know what they're used for. I forget what they're used for. I'm pretty sure. I think I knew at one point. I just forget. Now, let me move these guys out of the way. Let's move on to the actual pod racer. So this is pod racer, and you can see, you can take Anakin, sit him, wait, hold up. you can sit Anakin down and then put his hands in the controls. If I can get it in there, you can see his hand is kind of in the controls. Alright, we're gonna get ready. Okay, so then there's him. There's Anakin. And you can just put like the flag back here. And then put Padme 2 here. And then he's off.